210 слів англійською, які ти маєш знати. З реальними прикладами вживання, які можна одразу використовувати у спілкуванні.
Bad.
Поганий.
This is a bad idea.
Market.
Ринок, базар.
We go to the market.
Piano.
Піаніно.
She plays the piano.
Rain.
Дощ.
It starts to rain.
May.
Може, дозвіл.
I may come later.
Face.
Обличчя.
I wash my face.
Zoo.
Зоопарк.
We visit the zoo.
Father.
Батько.
My father is at home.
Pull.
Тягнути.
I pull the door.
Cousin.
Двоюрідний брат.
My cousin is funny.
Ruler.
Лінійка.
I have a ruler.
0.
0.
The score is 0.
Girl.
Дівчина.
The girl is happy.
Flat.
Квартира.
This is my flat.
Must.
Повинен.
The show must go on.
1000.
1000.
She has 1,000 books.
Climb.
Лазити, підніматися.
I climb the tree.
Girlfriend.
Дівчина.
My girlfriend is kind.
Sea.
Море.
The sea is blue.
Really.
Дійсно.
I really like it.
Ready.
Готовий.
I am ready now.
October.
Жовтень.
October is cold.
Leave.
Жити.
They live in a city.
Wrong.
Неправильний, помилковий.
This answer is wrong.
Yesterday.
Вчора.
I worked yesterday.
Show.
Показувати, шоу.
They show the picture.
Look.
Дивитися, виглядати.
Look at the sky.
Minute.
Хвилина.
Wait a minute.
Capital.
Столиця.
Kyiv is the capital.
Neighbor.
Сусід.
My neighbor is nice.
Cat.
Кіт.
The cat is sleeping.
Come.
Приходити.
Come with me.
Hobby.
Хобі.
My hobby is music.
Mum.
Мама.
My mum is here.
Ice cream.
Морозиво.
I like ice cream.
Call.
Дзвонити.
I call my friend.
Answer.
Відповідь, відповідати.
I answer the question.
Married.
Одружений.
They are married.
Present.
Подарунок.
I have a present.
Difficult.
Важкий, складний.
This task is difficult.
Space.
Простір, космос.
Space is big.
Brother.
Брат.
My brother is tall.
November.
Листопад.
November is cold.
Station.
Станція.
We are at the station.
Would.
Би.
I would like tea.
Hour.
Наш.
This is our house.
Date.
Дата, побачення.
This is our date.
Start.
Починати.
We start now.
Keep.
Тримати, зберігати.
Keep the door open.
Village.
Село.
This village is small.
Large.
Великий.
The room is large.
Paint.
Фарбувати, фарба.
I paint the wall.
Moment.
Момент.
Wait a moment.
Give.
Давати.
Give me the pen.
North.
Північ.
The north is cold.
Play.
Грати, п'єса.
They play football.
Year.
Рік.
This year is good.
Movie.
Фільм.
We watch a movie.
Their.
Їхній.
This is their car.
West.
Захід.
The sun sets in the west.
Jeans.
Джинси.
I wear jeans.
Test.
Тест перевіряти.
I have a test today.
During.
Під час, протягом.
During the day.
Maths.
Математика.
Maths is easy.
Same.
Той самий, однаковий.
We have the same bag.
Week.
Тиждень.
It takes 1 week.
Push.
Штовхати.
I push the door.
Fine.
Добре.
I feel fine.
Interested.
Зацікавлений.
I am interested in this.
Wear.
Носити одяг.
I wear a jacket.
He.
Він.
He is my friend.
Life.
Життя.
Life is good.
Money.
Гроші.
Money is important.
Study.
Вчитися.
I study English.
Buy.
Бувай.
Bye. See you later.
Cooking.
Готування.
I like cooking.
Behind.
Позаду, за.
The cat is behind me.
Which.
Який?
Which one is yours?
Type.
Тип.
This type is new.
60.
60.
She has 60 apples.
Enjoy.
Насолоджуватися.
I enjoy the game.
What?
Що?
What is this?
Police.
Поліція.
The police are here.
Animal.
Тварина.
The animal is big.
Pin.
Шпилька, прикріплювати.
I need a pin.
Knowledge.
Знання.
Knowledge is power.
Bowl.
Миска, чаша.
The bowl is full.
Previous.
Попередній.
I like the previous one.
Lead.
Вести, очолювати.
You lead the team.
Broken.
Зламаний, розбитий.
The toy is broken.
Quarter.
Чверть, квартал.
A quarter of the cake.
Culture.
Культура.
The culture is rich.
Helpful.
Корисний.
She is very helpful.
Snake.
Змія.
The snake is long.
Wide.
Широкий.
The road is wide.
Garage.
Гараж.
The garage is open.
Romantic.
Романтичний.
It was a romantic day.
Painting.
Картина, малювання.
The painting is beautiful.
Wish.
Бажати, бажання.
I wish to go.
Hide.
Ховати, ховатися.
I hide the key.
Remind.
Нагадувати.
Remind me tomorrow.
Advantage.
Перевага, вигода.
This is an advantage.
Male.
Чоловічий.
The male bird sings.
Figure.
Фігура.
Look at the figure.
Obviously.
Очевидно.
He is obviously tired.
Passenger.
Пасажир.
The passenger is waiting.
Arrange.
Організовувати, домовлятися.
I arrange the meeting.
Personal.
Особистий.
This is personal.
Fair.
Чесний, справедливий.
It is a fair price.
Based.
Заснований, базований.
It is based on facts.
Soft.
М'який.
The bed is soft.
Southern.
Південний.
The southern city is warm.
Exact.
Точний.
This is the exact time.
Greet.
Вітати.
I greet my friends every day.
Lucky.
Щасливий.
Today is my lucky day.
Bone.
Кістка.
The dog has a big bone.
Completely.
Повністю.
I completely agree with you.
Stamp.
Марка.
Put a stamp on the letter.
Period.
Період.
It was a difficult period.
Inform.
Інформувати.
Please inform me about the meeting.
Crazy.
Божевільний.
This is a crazy idea.
Edge.
Край, межа.
Do not stand on the edge.
Ground.
Земля, ґрунт.
The snow covers the ground.
Positive.
Позитивний.
Always try to stay positive.
Allow.
Дозволяти, давати змогу.
Parents allow him to play.
Candy.
Цукерка.
She wants a sweet candy.
Exit.
Вихід.
Where is the nearest exit?
Pill.
Пігулка.
Take this pill with water.
Nervous.
Нервовий, схвильований.
She feels nervous before the exam.
Project.
Проєкт.
We are working on a new project.
Contact.
Контакт, зв'язуватися.
Please contact me tomorrow.
Easily.
Легко.
I can do it easily.
Biology.
Біологія.
Biology is an interesting subject.
Typical.
Типовий.
It was a typical sunny day.
Textbook.
Підручник.
Open your textbook on page 10.
Cause.
Причина.
What is the cause of this problem?
Link.
Посилання, з'єднувати.
Click on this link to see the video.
Prize.
Приз, нагорода.
He won the first prize.
Weekly.
Щотижневий.
We have a weekly meeting.
Argument.
Аргумент, суперечка.
They had a loud argument.
Process.
Процес, обробляти.
It is a long process.
Railway.
Залізниця.
We live near the railway.
Total.
Загальний, повний.
The total cost is high.
Electricity.
Електрика.
The storm cut the electricity.
Drawer.
Шухляда.
The pen is in the drawer.
Lamp.
Лампа.
Turn on the lamp, please.
View.
Вид, погляд.
The view from the window is beautiful.
Tool.
Інструмент.
I need a tool to fix it.
Negative.
Негативний.
Do not be so negative.
Carpet.
Килим.
The dog is sleeping on the carpet.
Poem.
Вірш.
She wrote a beautiful poem.
Smoking.
Куріння.
Smoking is bad for your health.
Kill.
Вбивати.
Do not kill the spider.
Silent.
Тихий, мовчазний.
The room was completely silent.
Manage.
Керувати, справлятися.
I can manage it myself.
Each other.
Один одного.
They help each other.
Active.
Активний.
He is an active child.
Benefit.
Користь, вигода.
What is the benefit of this?
Greeting.
Вітання.
He gave me a warm greeting.
Along.
Уздовж.
We walked along the river.
Frightened.
Наляканий.
The cat was frightened by the dog.
Recording.
Запис.
Listen to this recording.
Scene.
Сцена, місце події.
It is my favorite scene in the movie.
Skin.
Шкіра.
Drink water for healthy skin.
Alive.
Живий, існуючий.
The plant is still alive.
Chance.
Шанс, можливість.
Give me one more chance.
Discuss.
We
Обговорювати.
need to discuss this plan.
Nearly.
Майже.
It is nearly midnight.
Condition.
Стан, умова.
The car is in good condition.
Tasty.
Смачний.
The soup is very tasty.
Surprised.
Здивований.
I was surprised to see him.
Rent.
Орендувати, оренда.
We want to rent a flat.
Campus.
Кампус.
The students live on campus.
Lip.
Губа.
She bit her lip.
Recognize.
Впізнавати, визнавати.
I did not recognize you.
Repair.
Ремонтувати, ремонт.
Can you repair my phone?
Practice.
Практикувати.
You must practice every day.
Pack.
Пакувати, пачка.
I need to pack my bag.
Death.
Смерть.
The story ends with his death.
Power.
Сила, енергія.
Knowledge is power.
Discussion.
Обговорення.
We had a long discussion.
Manager.
Менеджер.
I want to speak to the manager.
Hang.
Висіти, вішати.
Hang your coat here.
According to.
Згідно з, відповідно до.
According to the weather, it will rain.
Purpose.
Мета, призначення.
What is the purpose of your visit?
Immediately.
Негайно.
Please come here immediately.
Correction.
Виправлення.
I made a small correction.
Actually.
Насправді, фактично.
Actually, I am busy today.
Packet.
Пакет, пачка.
He bought a packet of chips.
Mathematics.
Математика.
Mathematics is difficult for me.
Cell.
Клітина.
Every cell needs oxygen.
Bright.
Яскравий.
The sun is very bright today.
Gentleman.
Джентльмен.
He is a true gentleman.
Deliver.
Доставляти.
They will deliver the pizza soon.
Glove.
Рукавичка.
I lost my right glove.
Connect.
З'єднувати, пов'язувати.
Connect your phone to Wi-Fi.
Nail.
Ніготь, цвях.
I need a hammer and a nail.
Boil.
Кип'ятити, варити.
Boil the water for tea.
Ship.
Корабель.
The ship sails tomorrow.
Engine.
Двигун.
The car engine stopped.
Advertising.
Рекламування, реклама.
They spend money on advertising.
Label.
Етикетка, позначати.
Read the label carefully.
Religious.
Релігійний.
It is a religious holiday.
Score.
Рахунок, набирати бали.
What is the final score?
Costume.
Костюм.
She wore a pirate costume.
Nowhere.
Ніде.
I have nowhere to go.
Alone.
Сам, наодинці.
He lives alone.
Payment.
Платіж.
Thank you for your payment.
Spicy.
Гострий.
I like spicy food.
Topic.
Тема.
This is an interesting topic.